Let's learn how to use QuickSwap's various features. First, visit QuickSwap.exchange and connect your wallet. Here, you can select Polygon, Dogechain, Polygon ZK EVM, Manta Pacific, and Kava Networks. Click on the Swap tab. We've been brought to the swap page, which uses the QuickSwap Liquidity Hub, which enables more efficient zero-gas trades and is powered by Orbs. You have the option to use Best Trade, Market V2, or Market V3 liquidity. Toggle Pro Mode to access trading tools. Let's execute a market swap. Select the asset you want to swap from. Select the asset you wish to receive. Input the amount and approve the funds. Click on Swap. Now let's do a limit order swap. Click on Limit. Select the asset you want to swap from. Then select the asset you wish to receive. Input the amount you wish to swap. Set your limit price. Then click on Approve. Accept the disclaimer, then confirm your order. Your open limit order can be seen here. Now let's do a time-weighted average price swap. Select the asset you want to swap from. Select the asset you wish to swap to. Input the amount you wish to swap. Below, identify how often you want trades to execute. Then identify the duration of time in which your trades should occur. Then click on Place Order. Accept the disclaimer and confirm your order. Your time-weighted average price order will be found here. Let's execute a cross-chain swap. Click on Cross-Chain and connect your wallet. Choose the chain you wish to swap from and the asset. Choose the chain you wish to swap to and its related asset. Input the amount and click on Submit. Let's contribute to QuickSwap's liquidity pools. Click on the Pool tab. Determine if you'd like to provide V2 or V3 liquidity. Select the tokens you wish to provide liquidity in. Then select a range using either manual or V3 POS automatic. Then specify the width of the range. Then input the amount you wish to contribute of coin 1. The other coin's corresponding amount will then auto-populate. Approve both tokens. Click on Wrap Matic. Click on Preview, then Confirm. Now you will start receiving swap fees. Let's farm using our QuickSwap LP tokens. Click on the Farm tab. Choose either V2 or V3 farms. Also decide if you'd like to participate in QuickSwap or Gamma farms. Then click on the farm you have LP tokens for. Identify how many LP tokens you wish to deposit. Click on Approve, then stake your LP tokens. Now you'll start receiving farming rewards. Let's learn how to use Quick Perps on ZK EVM. Switch your network to ZK EVM. Click on the Perps tab. You can change your chart view here. Decide if you want to execute a market long or short. Identify the asset you will be using to add liquidity to your position. Select the asset you will be longing or shorting. Input the size of your position. Use the slider to identify how much leverage you will be using within your trade. Click on Enable Leverage. Read and approve the disclaimers. Approve your supplied asset. Click on Confirm. You can also execute limit and trigger orders here. Let's learn how to add Manta Pacific Network to MetaMask. Head over to chainlist.org, then search Manta Pacific. Then click on Add to MetaMask. Click on Approve. Then go ahead and switch your network. Let's execute a QuickSwap market swap on Manta Pacific. Make sure your network is set to Manta Pacific. Then click on Swap. You are then brought to the swap page that uses the QuickSwap Liquidity Hub powered by Orbs. Select the asset you want to swap from. Select the asset you wish to swap to. Then input your amount. Click on Swap. Confirm swap. Let's provide liquidity to QuickSwap using Manta Pacific Network. Click on the Pool tab. Select the tokens you wish to provide liquidity in. Then click on Edit to select an appropriate fee tier. Then select an appropriate range. You can fine-tune your min and max prices here. Input the amount you wish to deposit. Click on Approve USDC. Then click Preview. And finally, Confirm.